Hello Class 8G and Mr. Welcome to my tutorial. Today I'll show you how to bake a delicious chocolate cake. These are the ingredients. You need 100 gram whole milk chocolate, 100 gram dark chocolate, 250 gram butter, 5 eggs, 150 grams sugar, 5 gram baking cocoa, 30 gram flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 100 gram chocolate drops, and 70 milliliters cream. Okay, let's start with the cake. The butter is melted with the dark chocolate on the stove at a low level until it looks something like that. Then transfer it to another bowl and let cool for 7 minutes. After that, mix the eggs with the sugar in another bowl. Now the eggs are connected to the chocolate mess, and now you have to add the dry ingredients. It's the best to use a sieve so that there are no lumps in the dough. Now add the chocolate drops and the dough is ready. The dough is placed in a mold and pushed into the oven. Bake it at 180 degrees above and under heat. After taking it out, let the ready-baked cake cool under a kitchen cloth. Last but not least, the chocolate glaze comes. For this purpose, you warm the whole milk chocolate and the cream. Then put the whole thing on the cooled cake and cool again. If you want, you can add a little chocolate sprinkles. And ta-da! The cake is ready! I hope you like it. Bye! See you next time!